From a vessel containing 100 liters of acid, X liters is drawn off and replaced by water. Then the process was repeated 2 more times. What was the value of X at the end of, if at the end of the vessel contains, if at the end the vessel contains 51.2 liters of acid, right? So you've got 100 liters of pure acid available with you. From this, you are removing X liters and again adding X liters of water, Now over here, again the quantity will still be 100 liters, but remember it is not going to be 100 liters of acid, it will be 100 liters of solution. From this again X liters is removed and then X liters of water is added, and post this again the same thing is happening over here as well, right? And finally you will get 100 liters of solution. That 100 liters of solution contains the quantity of acid as 51.2 liters. What we need to figure out is the value of X over here. Now I'm removing X out of 100. So what fraction am I removing? I'm removing X by 100. So what will I be left with? I will be left with 1 minus X by 100 of the ingredients over here. What was the ingredient over here? 100 liters of pure acid. So after this removal of X liters, this is what is going to be the quantity of acid. I'm adding water, so the quantity of acid is not going to change. So at this level, this will be the quantity of acid. Again, you are doing the same thing, that you are removing X liters and adding X liters of water. So from a total of 100. So once again, it will be 1 minus X by 100. So effectively, what am I going to do? I'm going to take the cube of this. And this should be the final quantity of acid. Now the final quantity of acid is given to you as 51.2. So let me put that value equal to 51.2. Now if we try to solve this, what are we going to get? 1 minus X by 100 whole cube of this should be equal to 512 divided by 1000. So I've removed the decimal and put a 0 in the denominator. 512, if you watch it very closely, it is 2 to the power of 9, right? 2 to the power of 9 implies what? 8 cube. Why am I looking at cube? Because there's a cube over here as well. So 1 minus X by 100 whole cube should be equal to 8 by 10 whole cube, correct? So what we can say, 1 minus X by 100, the value should be equal to 8 by 10, which is effectively nothing but 4 by 5. So X by 100 should be nothing but 1 by 5. What should be the value of X? The value of X should be equal to 20. So that is going to be the answer for this question.